What's up guys? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Telegram SMS fee problem. First, make sure you're using the official Telegram app and connect your device to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Next, go to your phone settings, open apps, and select Telegram. Tap Port Stop. Then go to storage and clear the cache. After that, we open Telegram and try logging in again. If Telegram still shows the SMS fee, keep in mind that this can be controlled by Telegram servers and may depend on your region or login method. There may not be a guaranteed free way to bypass the fee. If possible, you can also keep Telegram login on a trusted device and enable two-step verification or a fast key for easier, more secure access in the future. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.